Hi everybody, how are you? Here's a new video about hair systems, and as promised, I'm going to do my review of the Ares unit, of the Ares model from LaVivid. It's my first time trying LaVivid hair system, and you see I'm having kind of a strange slick back look today. This won't last long because I'm actually on my way to my hairdresser to get it cut in a different way. So I installed this hair system about 2 weeks ago, and I really liked the quality of the hair. This is Indian Remy hair. I was used to wearing hair systems with just regular Indian hair, and this is thinner, it's slicker, it's a bit more straight as well. So I was like, let's try with a longer haircut. As you can see, the hair is really long, but I just washed it, I blow dried it, and I styled it this way because I'm on my way to my hairdresser. So this hair system from LaVivid has a full lace base, except for the back and sides, which is a polyskin unit, a polyskin base, which is very good for attachment. You can use liquid adhesive or tape, and it works perfectly. It's my favorite type of base because I do prefer a lace front. So regarding the front, the lace front of this unit, you know, guys, I'm always honest about everything. I like to tell you all my stories and my adventures with hair systems. And what happened with this one was that this was the first hair system that I received that had that extra bit of lace in the front that I had to cut myself. And if you've seen my previous videos, you'll know I'm not a very skillful person when it comes to manual stuff. So I swear to God, I did my best to cut the front of that extra lace and keep the hairline looking pretty decent. So there are some spots where you can see that the knots are not bleached, because the knots that are bleached only on the front. But if you cut too much of the lace on the front, then you're gonna get the knots that are not bleached. So an advice that I am going to give you guys is, when you order a hair system and you're not very skillful with your hands, you can ask the company to just cut that front, that extra lace or extra polyskin for you, so when you get it, it's ready to install. So I kept my hair long for the first week. I was pretty happy with it, but then I was like, this is the hair length of this unit is 6 inches, and of course you need to cut a little bit in order to give it some shape. But this past couple of days I was like, I would rather try another haircut, especially since the hairline is not as good as I want it to be. It's a graduated hairline, as you can see, which I do like because it looks more natural to me. Because, you know, I see some guys who wear hair systems in pictures or videos, and I see like they have like a wall of hair that starts from their forehead and goes up, and I'm like, you're supposed to see where the hair starts in your hairline, unless you're wearing, you know, your hair down or your fringe or whatever. But if you wear your hair up and it's like hair suddenly, like without any space between your forehead and your hair, it doesn't look very natural to me. So I do like the graduated hairline, especially for someone my age. It's more natural than having the wall of hair, like I call it. So this is an 8 by 10 size. I have it cut to 7 by 10 because I do have hair starting around here. Like I said, it's Indian Remy hair. It has a slight wave. I blow dried it today with the thermal brush, so it's a little more straight than it's meant to be. So I would rather keep it slicked back like that. I'm really happy with this look, even though it will only last for like about an hour. like I said, the hair is very silky, it's very smooth. It's a 95% hair density, which is something that I was looking for. A hair system that wasn't very dense. For someone my age, this is really good because I don't want to have a lot of hair and people think that I look ridiculous. Because even though I don't look 45, you can tell that I'm an older gentleman. So having a lot of hair is not very natural. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna stop this video right now and then I'm gonna go back after my final haircut so I can show you what it looks like and I can give you more of display of what this LaVivid Aries unit looks like with a shorter and maybe more stylist haircut. Because I think this hair is really good in order to have a different type of hair. As you can see, you can keep it long and it looks good. I put some product on my hair, combing cream, in order to give it a little shine, but the hair, it's very, very soft and very, very manageable. And of course, this is, like I said, it's just been washed and blow dried. That's why it looks like this. But after a couple of days, you know, when I installed this unit and had my hair slightly cut, I didn't wash it throughout the week and it looked fantastic. So that tells you a lot about the quality of the hair. So I don't want to keep talking because I want to give some time in this video to show you my new haircut that I will get in a bit. So this is the Aries unit model from LaVivid, and in a bit I will show you my new haircut. I'll be right back. Hi everybody. Okay, I'm back from the hairdresser and I can see I got quite a different haircut now. You know, I wanted to try something more traditional. Traditional in the sense that this has been a very popular haircut this past couple of years. I used to kind of hate this haircut because like every single guy was having this same haircut. So I think it's not as trendy as it used to be. So now that it kind of different types of haircuts are getting more popular, I think it's a good time to give this one a try. So I think it looks pretty good. I'm pretty happy with it. The hair is very, as you can see, it's very, when you come out of the hair salon and it's all blow dried, but I really like the way it looks. I have some product in it, I have some hair wax, but I'm sure it will look better in the coming days when, you know, this kind of like stabilizes. So, but I'm really happy. I really wanted to get a shorter haircut, even though I tried the longer haircut last week, and I think this looks really good. And my hairdresser was really, really happy with the quality of this LaVivid hair system. He was like, this is a pleasure to cut. So guys, this is going to be my hairstyle in the coming weeks. I need to grow my sides a little bit because, you know, funnily enough, my sides were quite long, and on the weekend I decided to kind of trim them because I wanted to spend a few days without wearing my hair system. So my hairdresser was like, why did you shave your sides? Because for this haircut, in order to get that kind of graduated undercut, you needed more hair. But you know, luckily hair on my sides and back, it does grow. So I can wait until it grows a little bit and then he can do a little bit more of a graduated hairline. So guys, I hope you like it. I'm going to get closer to the camera because this light ring kind of doesn't really show the hair. I think it looks better, so you can take a look at it. So again, this is the Aries model from LaVivid. You can get this model or any other stock unit from LaVivid and use my code RICO15 and you get 15% off any of the stock units. This unit is currently on sale. It has already an important discount on the LaVivid website. So you can take advantage of that, use my code and get a few dollars off your purchase. So thank you guys again for watching. In a few weeks it's going to be my hair system anniversary, It's going to be my first year wearing hair systems, so I'm pretty sure I'm going to be making a video about that. So again, hope you liked my hair system. Leave comments below on your opinions if you liked the longer hair better than this haircut, and please leave me a like if you like this video. If you don't like this video, give me a dislike. At least that's a reaction, and it's better than nothing. So thank you guys for watching. I'll talk to you next time, and have a good hair day. Bye-bye.